I'm going to start the video. You see these guys coming out? Now take a look at this. Look, number 3. Although there's this big point in here, I'm going to redesign this number 3. Now, what is this area space for any different? You notice the way it's larger up top than it is at the bottom? Let the second guy come out. And now the third guy comes out. You see there's 3 pack sacks for polycellophane. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and we're going to draw it out. So if we take it back a little bit, okay, we see that on stage, and now we're going to get it done on paper. So this is 1 pack sack, right? We're going to hold it up against here to tell me it's any different. See, I put them back to back. We're going to keep it like this. So this is what I'm going to get out of it. Okay? Since they're back to back, right? We get a 3 and we get this. Look at number 2, the way it comes out of it. Or if I want, can I bring a number 5 out of it? You notice there's only 1 of these and it's not in the center over here, right? You notice on here, they cannot use the front of the body to connect these 2 pieces together. Now, I'm going to connect those 2 pieces together further on in this video to see what it looks like. Right now, I have these 2 back to back. If I would put it the other way, I'm going to have to show you in paint the rest of this picture. But I'm going to draw you more pictures. One of the pictures I'm going to come out is with this. Here's the eye. Now, where does the eye take off? It takes off from the diamond that's formed when the 2 balls of the 8 come together. Now, is this the eye, the diamond, the eye and the diamond, the eye that sees from this area here and this area over here? Do you see the way this design is made? I don't know where this is going to take me yet. I don't know. This is what I work on. I work on what could be because of what was created, the continuation of a creation, or because of what you don't see in the 3 balls is what you actually see. I like to call this the skull and bones because it's the center of the beginning. So now what you didn't see over here is the I letter. The I is what divides the 2 sides. The H letter is the above and the below of the 2 sides. Now these people have to be lying on each other's back. So if we take that design one more step further, what we're going to end up with is this piece over here, and you can see the design that this piece was on the opposite side of this. Now I'm going to put it on the front side, and we're going to have that here, and then we're going to have this piece here. I'm going to have this piece here. Not sure where I'm going to go with this, but we're going to take a look, right? You remember in this one, we're going to turn it this way. If you have half of it, you have number 3. You notice the way the square block, that if we use the 8s, that the square block ends up in the center of the diamond, but the round block ends up in the center. So square and round. Right? What does round mean to you? What does round mean to you? What does round mean to you? Is it because it comes from the center? I don't want to start talking about the letter E now, right? Because the letter E, we can create that from the letter E, but we don't want to create that. We don't want to create anything here. All I want to show you is that here, 3 is 1/2. This side only. But when you put them back to back, all of a sudden it becomes 8. It's 3 is 1/2 and 8 is the whole. Now, if you take a dice cube, the reverse side of 3 is 4. So if you have 2 of them, you either have 3 and 3, 6, or you have 4 and 4, 8. Splitting of the 7th gate, of course. Splitting of the 7th gate. Now, we could take a look. If I show you 5, and 2, 2 and 5, but I don't need to go there. I can turn it this way. But if I turn it this way, right, I'm going to have to turn that one that way. Here's my 6 and here's my 6. But in this 6, it's not the same as this. This is a north-south 6, and I'm going to create the I. This is an east-west 6, and I'm going to create the H. So it looks like I created in the heavens. 66. The word woman is 66. 66, 66, 132, 264 video stream. We don't want to get into that. Right now we're looking at 8 and 6. We're looking at 8 and 3. We're looking at 6 and 16, or 1 and 6 is 7. We're looking at 12 and 32, which becomes 3. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 2 is 5. Or we're looking at 24 and 64. This becomes 6. This becomes 1. Then it becomes 12, and this becomes 2, which becomes 3, and this becomes 2. We're now into the BC world. This will become 24 and 4, or 6 and 4. This will become 48 and 8, or will become 3 and 8, and we've made full rotation. That's how you know we did this right. So now you have 3. And isn't it ironic that in the game Baccarat, where naturally 8 and 9 come together, notice that's the way it creates, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is made up of that, right? It's made up of 3, and it's made up of 2. 3 and 2 equals 5. We got the 5 card, right? We have the square area, 2 square areas. Anyways, let's not get in. The game of Baccarat, 8 and 9 is called a natural. Usually all 10s are called monkeys. In the game of Baccarat, we play 7 come 11, which means 6 and 1, or 1 and 1 is creation. So what am I saying by all this? Does it really make a difference? Where else am I going to get on with this? I did the 3, I did the half, I did the 2. Yeah, I wanted to get this here. So my question is, do I come underneath it and join it this way? Going around? Do I go around this way and create this way, making it a flat part? I'm not really sure where to go. We're going to end this video. It's been going long enough. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. And from the Depeche Mode tour, this is the video that they made, and that's why I brought it up. And besides, we're going back. Imagine, I'm going to bring this up in another video, but apparently we're going back to the moon. Thank you for watching this video.